Alright, so this is my first ever firework stash video. So I got a whole case of these. I got a couple more in the dining room. Just showing a little part what I got right here. These are my extra stuff that I got for my get together for July 3rd. This stuff I probably just shoot randomly. Not using this for the get together that I normally do. So I got some more Roman candles here. Canister shells. Whole case of these rockets. Some more bottle Roman candles right there. In here is some other load I got. Like I said, snakes, smoke bombs, sparkler fountains for the kids. You know, some small one snaps. Over here I got, inside here I got firecrackers. I got more Roman candles in here. Bottle rockets. Over here I got some fountains and some more firecrackers, so you can see some of the fountains I got. You know, gingerbread man. I got oil lamp fountain. You know, kind of get a good idea what I got. And then over here is all my cakes. I'm doing a big show this year, so I stocked up. Give you guys an idea what I got. A lot of it you probably can't see because it's hidden, but overall you can see most of it. Went over to Phantom for some of it, but most of it came from Red Apple Fireworks.